Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Here out on the pier, you're gonna see a lot of pier fishing. I just love it. I've been doing it a long time and it's still fun and exciting. Let's go ahead and get on the pier, get to our spot. Now that the water's warmer, everything's kind of showing up, so it should be a lot more action down there versus the last time we did it. I just wish we would have a sunny day. Maybe once that sun burns off some of the clouds, it might be a little bit better visibility. All right, we're gonna go drop it down and probably one more spot before I get back to fishing. So see what our battery is. I did retie just to make sure it's extra safe. So let's do it. Yeah, gonna drop right here on the tee. Yeah, I do. All right, we're gonna come drop another time. See, I don't see any bait. Usually I see a bunch of ALEWIVES. Oh, there's some bait. All right, I think I got enough footage, so that's pretty cool. Let's bring this up before it gets bitten off. That was some awesome footage. I was hoping my GoPro wouldn't get bitten by the shark. They actually tried to come up and eat it a few times. That is very exciting to see what's down there. See, I did this in the winter. If you haven't seen that video, it's on my channel, and there was nothing down there. That's just how it is. The bait's not here, the pelagics are not here. They move around. So there were some sheepshead and then the octopus down there, but now that the bait showed up, the mackerel and the other pelagic fish have showed up, it's a lot more action down there. So that is awesome. I've been wanting to do this a while. I meant to do it the other day. I'm finally glad that I was able to get a good weather window to do that. So let me go ahead, pack up my cart and head off the pier, and we'll do a closeout. Well, I am home, so I appreciate y'all for watching this video. That is so exciting to see what's down there. If you want to go pick up some Bama Saltwater merch, such as shirts and hand-tied surf rigs, go ahead and go to bamasaltwater.com. It'll be linked down in the description below, along with all the other companies that support the channel. If you want to check them out, they'll be linked down in the description below as well. If you have not subscribed already, I really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. It allows you to keep up some cool content like this, and it supports the channel so we can grow even more. If you are subscribed, I appreciate you as always. Don't forget to give that thumbs up, and if you know what kind of sharks those were, or you just want to leave a nice comment, go ahead and leave one down below. I like to read them, including all the good, bad, and ugly comments, because Lord knows they're on YouTube and the internet. There are ugly comments too, so it's funny. But I think it's funny. But we will see you on the next Bama Saltwater fishing video. I want to thank the good Lord up above for everything he does for us, and we'll see you later.